Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to book a flight in the booking.com application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can see that right now we are in the stay section up there, and you should select there the second option, which is flights. And here you can just select the flight type that you want to have, like a round trip, one-way trip, or a multi-city one. After that you can just select basically your starting location and where you want to go. Let's say Rome, for example. You select it. After that you have to select the dates here, press done, and finally how many people are going to be in this flying, and press done. After that all you have to do is just press search, and I should wait a little bit until all the results load in. And you can see here the results, and you can just select one of these. And after that, if you like everything about it, you can see here the price and every detail about the flight, and you can just press select if you like it. Like I said, you can select now the ticket type that you want to buy, press next. And here you can just once again press next after you have selected the travel protection type. And here you can just fill out the details for every traveler. Traveler 1, you can just press on it, fill out the first name, last name, the gender specified on your passport or ID, and you can just fill out every one of these details for every traveler. And once that is done, you can just press next and proceed with the payment basically. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.